Hey, what's up guys? So I just wanted to do a quick review on my iFootage mini tripod. This is possibly one of the sturdiest, strongest miniature tripods that you could possibly have. It has a ball head on it so that you can actually make whatever adjustments you need, and it has an adjustable tension knob right here that, that's how you adjust the tightness of it, so you can see, you know, it's pretty sturdy, like loosening it up, moving it. You can adjust the positioning of it, and you can bring it back and tighten it as you wish. And it has 3 different standing modes right here. I can try to adjust it with one hand. That's 1, 2, that should be 2, and 3. That should be good. And there's a couple of other adjusting modes that you can do too. And so what I want to show as well though is how you actually take the mount off. I've got a quick release plate up here, which is very helpful to have because I put other different types of cameras on here. But you can go like this and remove the top, and then so if you actually end up getting other different hardware from iFootage that's compatible with this, you can take the different heads and move them around and replace them. It's also got this rubber stopper right here that you can actually use as well. It's got a 1/4-inch mount on it. But yeah, this is overall just a really great miniature tripod. I highly recommend it. I've had this one for years, but namely with other tripod and monopod parts is what I'll use it with. But yeah guys, this is the iFootage mini tripod.